Let's look at the Continental purl. Tension the yarn around your finger, bring the yarn to the front, and the object is we're going to push this strand of yarn through the two front legs without twisting them to make a new stitch, like over here. And we're manipulating the stitch to have that little neck fall to the front, which creates a little purl bump. So yarn in the front, we enter from right to left, bring it onto the shaft, rotate your needle just a little bit so that you can grab that yarn and push it through. I use my thumb and my forefinger for my left hand to hold the stitches on the left needle, and I use my thumb and my forefinger to help me out with the right needle so that nothing slips off and everything here is secure. Enter from right to left, bring out the shaft, wrap it around the yarn, and you can use your thumb to help you push it through. And there we go. The stitch is on there securely. Bump it off. Left to right, bring the shaft around securely and pop it off. Left to right, yarn in the front, and you can hold this so nothing moves here. Wrap it around and bring it back. You can rock the needle a bit to get the stitch tighter. Purling takes more yarn than knitting. Wrap it so that I have this wrap here that goes from the front under the needle, and I'm pushing the bit that's on the back, I'm pushing that through, and it automatically mounts your legs correctly. Right to left, rotate your needle to get the yarn, push it through. Try not to bring the fingers to the front. It's not ergonomic, and if you're going to learn it anyways, try to learn it without extra movement. As you get better, your fingers will not have to work that much to assist you. I'll post a second video with just the motion of purling. You got this, give it a try, and I'll talk to you later.